Today we're taking a look at the Pequea HR 1140 Haymaster Rotary Rake. I bought this at an auction. It had one broken tine arm, which I had to cut to get off. Everything else looks to be in working order. In the process of changing the gearbox oil. I don't think that's ever been changed. Very easy to understand how it works. Here's the tine arm that we had to cut off. It was rusted on there fast, and the piece it came off of is also bent, and it was broke. So I have to get a new one of those. This is an 11-foot hay rake, hydraulic lift, so you can get out the end of the windrow. You can pick it up. The other parts for it, I have the hay gate laying there. I have the guards standing up over here. I took them all off. It just makes it easier to work on. So I wanted to do some work to it. The question I have, I'm looking for answers. The drawbar should be right about here. That's over there. Probably about 3 feet difference from where it ought to be. As far as I understand, that should be held by this hex thing here. That goes down through into the bottom piece, kind of down there. And they have little hex things welded in that frame. I don't know if they're welded crooked. I don't know if something's broke. Everything seemed to be intact. So I'm looking for answers of how that drawbar can be off by 3 feet, or whether it is designed that way. It's supposed to be a left-handed hay rake, and that would help you make left-hand turns a little easier. So I guess my question is this one supposed to be that way? I looked at another one at the same sale. That drawbar is straight with this landing gear. And looking at it from this angle, you can kind of see there's the cross member, and this piece up there should be straight with that, and it's not. So there's the cross member, and also this hydraulic fitting should be straight with the cross frame. You can see how far they're off. So I'm just looking for answers of whether this is supposed to be an offset drawbar model, or whether this is supposed to be straight, and whether something else is wrong.